A web browser, a browser is computer software that allows a person to access or to use the internet. The main function of the web browser, as you all know, is to connect you with the internet and you can browse the information through it. Now let's see what are the different types of web browser. The most common web browser which we are going to learn about are Google Chrome, Netscape Navigator, Firefox, Mac Safari, Opera, and the most common of amongst them all is Internet Explorer. Now what is Google Chrome? Google Chrome was released in September 2008 for Microsoft Windows. It has soon become the fourth most widely used web browser, Google Chrome, which can run on Windows, Mac and Linux operating system. Next is Netscape Navigator. Netscape was introduced in 1990s and it was compatible with almost every operating system. Next is Mozilla Firefox. Firefox released in 2004 and has grown to be the second most popular browser on the internet. Next is Mac Safari. Safari as a web browser was developed by Apple. Now, Safari has a very good support for latest technologies like XHTML, CSS, etc. Next is Opera. This web browser was developed by Opera Software in 1996. It is used mainly in mobile phones and smartphones. Next is Internet Explorer. It is one of the most popular web browsers and it was introduced in 1995 along with Windows 95 launch. Now let's see how you can start a web browser. Click on desktop tile on the start screen. Windows desktop appears. Click on the Internet Explorer icon or any other web browser icon present on your Windows taskbar or Windows desktop. The browser window will appear on the screen. You can start browsing through the information on the web. Now let's have a look at the contents of a web browser window. Address bar. This also gives you access to search information by using the search option. You can type the address of a web page and you can visit it. Next is address list. By clicking the small arrow given over there, you can see a list of addresses you have typed into the address bar and you can visit them again. Then you have home icon. It displays the web pages that appears each time whenever you start the Internet Explorer. Next is tool icons. It displays the different settings of a web browser. Next is favorite. The favorite button is the star in between the home and tool buttons. By clicking on this button, you will get the list of the favorites, feeds and the history you have searched before. Then you have scroll bar. This is used to move up or down the current web page. Then you have back button which takes you to the previous page you were on. Then there is forward button which helps you to display the page on screen on which you were working before using the back button. Then you have stop. Stop means it will stop downloading the pages from the internet. Then you have refresh button. It refreshes the current page which shows with the latest version. Then you have tabs. Tabs allows you to open as many pages as you want in a single internet or any browser window. Now let's have a look at the activity part.